how are you doing? I hope you're doing good. My name is Claire and today I'll be showing you how to prepare chapatis. So kindly subscribe down below and turn on the post notification bell, and also give this video a big thumbs up and share to your friends and family. So without much further ado, let's get started. For our chapatis, we're going to need some all-purpose flour. We'll need some warm water. We'll use sugar. If you don't like sugar, you can remove sugar. We'll need some salt to taste and also some cooking oil. So let us get started. My dough using cling film, and I'm going to let it rest for 20 minutes and then we'll come back to start our next process. Done with our first process. Our first process was applying some oil to our chapati doughs. Now we are going to let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Letting it rest will help our dough absorb the oil, which will make it soft. Since we want soft chapatis, give it enough time to rest if you want soft chapatis. So we'll let it rest and then we'll be back. take long to prepare, and they're so delicious, and they are very soft. Kindly subscribe down below and give this video a big thumbs up and share to your friends and family. I'm posting this video on Wednesday because in 2 days it's Christmas. So definitely try this recipe out for your friends and family, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Kindly subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye.